Okay, now in this video what we're going to do is we are going to use Microsoft Access in order to get our files loaded into the database and design the database at the same time. So I'm going to go into Access. And I'm going to open up Microsoft Access. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to External Data and New Data Source, and then go from File and click on Excel. And then I'm going to browse until I actually find where I had all of my case study files, which is right here. And I'm going to start with the doctors table. I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to import the source data into a new table in the current database. This, because I don't have any tables designed yet, it will automatically design the doctors table with the columns that are available in the actual data, that file that I've got here, this Excel file. So I click on OK. And now it's check first column contains headings. Next. And next through all that. Import to, and call this doctors. Click on Finish and close. You see how it created a table named Doctors right here? So now what I need to do is right click, go into Design View, and it added an auto-numbered primary key, which for this database we don't want. We want to delete that. And we want to make Doctor the primary key. So we want to delete that. And we want to make this the primary key and rename it Doctor ID. Okay? And then I shut that down. I want me to save it. And I can just click on it and check. See how it brought in all of the data from the Excel file? I need to do this exact same thing for the other tables that I need in the database that have data. So now I'm going to go External Data, New Data Source, from File, and I'm going to click on Excel, and then I'm going to go to the Patients table. Click on that. Import that into a new table. First row contains column headings. Finish. Close. And then it brought in a Patients table. I right click on that, so I'll shut down my doctors table, shut down table 1, which I don't need. Click on right click in Design View on the Patients table. Right click again, delete rows. And then make patient ID here the primary key. So that's done. Then External Data, New Data Source, from File, Excel. And now what I do is I go into the Appointments table, click on OK, import. First row contains column headings. Next. Finish. Close. See how it created an appointments table here? I need to right click on it and then go to Design View. And then I need to right click here. Click on Delete. And then click on the primary key. And shut that down. And then one last one. It's the procedures table. It's exactly the same process as we did before. Okay, and then we have all of these tables with the data successfully imported into them. So now we're ready to touch this up, this diagram, so that it can then be put into an entity relationship format.